If you are wondering whether you can pre-order GTA 6 on PC or Steam, the answer is technically yes, but not for PC gameplay itself. Right now, Rockstar allows you to place GTA 6 pre-orders through their website, and you can do that from your PC browser if you want, but the important thing is those pre-orders are only for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S versions of the game. So even if you are on a PC while ordering, you are still buying the console version, not a PC copy. At the moment, Rockstar has not officially announced GTA 6 for PC, which means there is no Steam page, no Epic Games Store page, and no Rockstar Launcher pre-order for PC yet. Looking at Rockstar's previous releases like GTA 5 and RDR2, PC versions usually arrive much later after console launch, so the expectation right now is that Rockstar may reveal PC details later, possibly around late 2027 or even 2028, but that's not official and nothing has been confirmed yet. So if your goal is to actually play GTA 6 on PC, you'll need to wait until Rockstar officially announces the PC version and opens PC pre-orders separately. Hope this clears things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.